Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima oil. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter, usually on the underside of the engine. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out immediately. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, you can proceed to the next step. Next, remove the old oil filter. It might be a bit messy, so have a rag ready. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then replace the drain plug. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill cap. After refilling, replace the oil fill cap and check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your Altima's engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then turn it off. Recheck for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.